Alex is a portfolio manager, and he's been flagged. The AI customer bot project is over budget in Q1 2026. He needs to pull together a portfolio health report quickly and present it to stakeholders. In this video, you'll see how Alex uses the advanced table viewer macro to import Excel data from 3 departmental data sources into a single Confluence report to present the project's overall health. Alex first starts with the project budget report. He inserts the advanced table viewer macro, clicks Connect Data Source, and selects Excel. The finance team's project spend sheet is stored on a restricted local drive, and he has a copy on his computer. He uploads the sheet directly from his desktop. The macro displays the first sheet and the column names. He deselects the columns he does not need, keeping the focus on variance. The macro opens in setup mode, a full-screen experience designed for easier configuration. The right panel provides the configuration options. Alex enables column filtering on the status column. This adds a drop-down filter above the table, so stakeholders can filter by project status directly in the report. He applies row styling to match branding and saves the changes. The data is now imported into the page, safe and stable, even if the original file is moved or deleted. Alex knows the budget overrun traces back to a Gen AI skill gap in the team. He inserts the macro again, this time selects the URL option, and pastes a direct link to the portfolio risk sheet hosted on GitHub. The macro fetches data from the URL. He applies row styling to match branding and saves the changes. Finally, Alex needs to show that the right resources are on the project. He inserts the macro again and selects attachment. The tech lead has attached the resource allocation sheet to the Confluence page. He clicks the Select Page Attachment dropdown and selects the resource allocation sheet. The macro automatically fetches the first sheet and first table and displays the sheet name and column names. Click Save. He notices the wrong sheet is selected, quickly clicks Edit Data Source, reselects the attachment, and selects the correct sheet. Alex applies column filtering on the primary project column. Now he applies branding row styles and saves the macro. Let's publish the page. The Confluence page is now the single source of truth with all data reports ready to present. Alex filters the portfolio budget table by status to highlight the variance. He walks stakeholders through the portfolio risk analysis, explaining that the overrun was driven by a Gen AI skill gap and that targeted team training has resolved it. Maria is now completely allocated to the project, and the portfolio is healthy. Data-driven reports, styled, customized, and all within Confluence. Thanks for watching.